For these problems, we're going to solve division equations by using multiplication. So let's look and see how we would do that. On number 1, we have y divided by 22 equals 13. So what we're going to do in order to solve this is think about the fact family of y, 22, and 13 and the relationship between division problems and multiplication problems. So since the y is at the beginning of the division problem, then the y needs to be at the end of a multiplication problem. So I'm going to create my multiplication problem by rearranging the values in the number sentence. So now I have 22 times 13 equals y. So to figure out what y is, all I have to do is multiply 22 and 13. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Bring down the 0. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 times 2 is 2 again. You can use any strategy that you like to solve these problems. So let's look at number 2. We have y divided by 15 equals 20. So to solve this for y, we're going to rewrite the values using fact family relationships so that we get a multiplication problem. And we would end up with 20 times 15 equals y. And then we can solve this. I can actually solve this one because I notice it's an I Spy problem. I Spy 15 times 2, which is 30 with 1 0. So y equals 300 for number 2. And let's look at number 3. We have y divided by 22 equals 6. So since y is at the beginning of the division problem, y has to go at the end of a multiplication problem. So I need to have 22 times 6 equals y. So I can figure out y just by doing the multiplication. 22 times 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 more is 13. So the answer is 132. Y equals 132. All right, you try to do some on your own, and if you need help, you can come back and rewatch the video. Good luck!